Hello and welcome to today's video in high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin and the rejection that we had since yesterday's video. So let's get right into this. Thank you guys for tuning in today's video. I figured that I should do a quick little update because we got a pretty big sell-off candle overnight and a rejection out of this rising wedge pattern that had been forming on the shorter time frames here. And we've fallen back down to horizontal support, but this is the third time that we fell onto the support. So due to this rejection on the shorter time frames, it wouldn't surprise me if we do go ahead and have a failure of this support level that we were watching in yesterday's video, and we do shoot for that 618 on Bitcoin. So let's go into the one-day candlesticks, and let's actually go from the low to the peak of this move and measure where the 618 Fibonacci is going to be. And then you guys will pretty quickly see that the 618 is right around 7,000, just above 7,200 per coin. So if we wouldn't have had this kind of rejection here and we would have pushed up above the 236, then this would have been a 1, 2, and then this would have been the one wave of the three wave. But this rejection is definitely looking a little bit more bearish on the short term. Now, does this make me sad? Am I like, oh no, Bitcoin isn't continually going up on this wave? No, this doesn't make me sad at all. If Bitcoin drops a little bit lower, this is actually perfect because we'll be able to accumulate more a little bit cheaper before we see more waves on the upside. So on the 3-day candlesticks, we're also seeing a little bit of a rejection. Now, you guys, there is always the potential that on the 2-hour time frame, we double bottom and then we get back up above $1,800 per Bitcoin and we really just shoot up higher. That's possible. There's nothing saying that it's impossible to do that. But just with this happening so quickly like it did last night and then not really seeing a whole lot of volume coming in at these lows, I definitely would not suspect Bitcoin to continue, at least on the extremely short term, for the upside. Now, if we do go ahead and fall down to the 618, this is going to be a beautiful buying opportunity for Bitcoin. And if we do fall, I'm not saying that everything is going to fall. I'm not saying that everything will fall. We may have some coins that take off, and what could potentially cause this is the fact that Litecoin has been ahead of Bitcoin since the market started. And to prove this, you can take Litecoin and you can compare it with Bitcoin here. And then all of a sudden you'll see that Bitcoin gets thrown on top of the Litecoin chart. And you'll see right here that Litecoin had actually, in January, had broken above horizontal resistance long before Bitcoin did. Bitcoin did an ascending triangle. Litecoin started leading the market before Bitcoin. And Litecoin also started falling quicker. Bitcoin has been lagging a little bit behind up here at the top. So I'm still holding my Litecoin positions, you guys. I think Litecoin could easily see some moves on the upside and Bitcoin could lose some of its dominance. And if we look at the altcoin market cap dominance as well, then we'll get this very, very nice graph here. And you can see since the beginning of time that altcoin dominance has been in a channel. And then it broke horizontally out of that channel and went quite a bit on the upside after that. And we're at the top of that channel right now. So we fell back onto the top of that channel. So here is a major support level in altcoin dominance. And some of the other altcoins haven't even finished their their fifth wave yet, excuse me. For example, Ethereum has only done a 1 and a 2 and a 3 wave. So if altcoins pick up right here and Bitcoin drops off, that actually wouldn't surprise me at all to see that type of scenario play out. Now, that's kind of what I'm seeing here. Again, Bitcoin positions, I'm keeping my long-term stuff. I always do. If we dip, I'm definitely going to buy more Bitcoin. It honestly just means that we get to buy more cheaper before we go higher. So I'm looking at it as a very positive thing. And altcoin dominance is definitely setting up for what looks like could be a pop in the altcoin dominance as well. If this 618 level is tested, you guys, like I said, I'm going to be buying here. This is all going to be a big 1-2 wave for me. So this is the top of the 1. This will be the top of the 2. So that means a 3 wave will be coming after that. So yes, I will be definitely buying out from the 618 level up. And again, I'm not guaranteeing that we are going to see this drop, but just with how strong we rejected off of that previous candle, we're kind of setting up more for WXYXZ down to the 618 rather than continuation currently. So that's my update, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, stay profitable out there.